Hello guys, this is Bryce from Agitech, and today we're going to have a quick tutorial on how to format our pen drives or our external memory devices using a utility in command prompt called Diskpart. Okay, now as usual, all that we know is say this is the drive we want to format. We right click on it and we go to format. We choose our options over here, change the name and all that, select quick format, and then just start, go to OK, and that's all. But that's not what we are here for. Today we are going to use this different utility in command prompt called Diskpart. Now let's get going. Now fire up your command prompt, run it as an administrator. As you can see, I have administrator command prompt over here. Now enter Diskpart. Wait for Windows to take us into the Diskpart environment. As you can see, we are in the Diskpart environment right now. So now there are a series of commands that we need to enter before we can start formatting our drive. Now the first command is first to list disks. Now this command really lists the number of disks that have been connected to your computer, so be very careful over here. Make sure you select the right disk over here. So now the next step is for us to select the disk name. As you can see over here, this is the name that we are trying to select. To disk number, right? It starts from 0, so be very careful. Make sure you have selected your disk, otherwise you might format the disks which you are not supposed to, right? So now as I can see over here, I have a 7,485 MB. That's about 7.4 gigs. So that's my external pen drive, right? External drive. Okay, so now I have to select disk 1, press enter. So as you can see, the result is disk 1 is now the selected disk. Okay, now what we need to do next is to clean this particular disk. So you enter clean and press enter. Now the next step is for us to create a partition. Let's create a primary partition, right? So we give it a primary partition, press enter, and as you can see, the results Diskpart succeeded in creating the specified partition. Now we need to select a certain partition, so partition 1, right? You press enter and it will select it. The next thing is to make this particular partition, this particular selected partition, active by entering active and pressing enter. Now we are ready to format our drive. So the command for formatting the drive is format, then you give the file type, right? fs equals to you can choose 32, but normally I go with ntfs. Okay, you can choose, you can make a choice of your own. That depends on you, what you really want to format, which file type or file system you want to format your drive with. Okay, I've chosen ntfs. So now you can go ahead and give it a label, which stands for a name that you are giving to the drive. So I will go ahead and say ag code. Any name will do over here. Any name will do over here. Okay, so ag code, and then press space. Make sure you bring this next command on this line, otherwise it will take long depending on the size of your drive. So bring the keyword quick. This quick is going to format the drive very quickly, right? Okay, so you press enter, wait for some few seconds. Depending on your drive size, it will take some moments for it to finish. So now you can see it's gotten to 100% completed, right? Diskpart successfully formatted the volume. Now most people go ahead and remove their drive, but normally what I do is I make Windows assign assign a drive letter for me for my drive, so that each time I insert this particular drive into my system, it's going to be assigned that particular drive in case the drive hasn't been assigned already. So you press enter, and as you can see over here, the letter I has been assigned to the drive for me. So anytime I insert this particular drive, in case I is not taken, it will just give me I, right? So now we exit out of Diskpart. It takes us back to the command prompt environment. Now we can exit out of command prompt as well. Now, as you can see, our drive has been formatted. It's free, right? It has been formatted with this particular name. We open it. As you can see, there is nothing on it, right? So this is a quick video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you later. Bye.